So right now, me the upstairs and Trabass the downstairs, but him a do some prank. Oh, this no focus. Hold on. Yeah. Him dey on Instagram live and him a do some prank. Him a call people and him a prank them and him think it's all fun and joke. But what me I do is me have my cousin Instagram, more sign in on him Instagram, and then me have a write Trabass and me go say, yo, see a number you have to call. Cause on Instagram I tell people say, yo, give him a number for call and give him like information. So what me I go do is me I go link my sister and me I go send my sister number from my cousin page and say, yo, call the girl and tell him say this and that and him something. And what me I go do is me I go tell my sister say when him call, just act like say, yo, something wrong with her heart and she faint. If you just trick him and we are gonna see it on live, come me go watch. Well, I'm gonna see if him still up on live. What am I do?
Oh. Alright. Boyfriend name is Andre. I make up one lie. I said, Andre, a cheap one. I'm more some batty man something you want me to act like Mickey and say Andre a cheap one with me though. I'm more some batty man something you want me to do that one day. Okay, alright.
So Emma do a prank right now. Meanwhile, me dey on my next phone. So me I go.
Andre sleep with my girlfriend. Oh.
Well, I camera battery there to me. I have to switch it out. So me link my sister already and hear what she say.
So I act like my whole life something like over tell him.
No, you're not gonna act like you're old. Just act like say yo. When me say me I go write him from a profile and me I go make him know say yo, call the person yeah. Cause him not gonna know say me, you know. Me I tell him say yo, call the person yeah. She name more make up a name for you. Me no know yet, but any name me aunt in call, just know say yo, just say you. He might call from a private number. Me no know what me I go tell him say yet, but whatever him tell you, as him start it, just like you start ball. Just start ball and say like, oh my god, me heart no good already. Me feel like me I go drop down. And he just start blow hard in her phone like something really happened for you for true. Cause me a video it right now for Instagram, for YouTube as me I send you this, me a video it. So me I go up on live and listen to a video. Yo, me nervous for him because if something like this really happen, it a go mash up in head. Him not expect me to prank him right now, you know. Him dead downstairs. Let me see what I do.
Don't do it. Oh, you not answer. Now go waste my kind and not now me no cheat. Yo.
Alright, so
okay,
me I go sign on for my cousin profile on the phone, yeah. Cause I want to know watch it while everything I go on the phone, yeah. So I go sign on on Instagram now and write him the information. Him nah know something, him can't know something, and him don't know my cousin Instagram. So him nah know. May I switch your battery and come back?
Catch a thief again and him a go get
Him a read it.
This sound funny.
Him a read it. And me just send that from the fake profile.
This sound funny.
Him a read it. You catch him.
This sound lit.
See my type there. He catch him.
Oh, that sound funny.
Oh shit. He catch him. Me just want him to call it now.
Alright, cool.
Me tell her say she need
Tell her that your baby father get catch a thief again and him a go get deep. It's going to be funny.
Yes, he read it. Me know say that to catch him. Me know say that to catch him. Yo, I wonder if my sister ready.
G, where your baby father name? Tell me where your baby father name. What's the baby daddy name?
Rick.
The baby father name. I can't see him get back up on. I mean, I know a dog name.
Rick.
What dog name?
Rick.
Give me a name.
Me go write Rick.
Quick, give me a name. Quick, me G. Quick. Write the name quick. Me both for calling number.
Rick.
When me?
Rick. Yo, I'm right here. What him not see?
Right, quick, my G, right.
He did
Rick.
it, boy.
Alright, Rick.
He see it.
Alright, Rick.
Alright.
Immigration. Mr. Thomas, I'm calling from the immigration office. Your boyfriend here, Rick, is saying I should call you just to let you know he's getting deported.
This shit are go funny. Yo, the live hand. It's Starbucks. Yo, people.
Yo, she pick up a while ago, you know. She pick up a while ago that.
My sister say call drop.
Yeah, the phone grab come side.
Me sign off a live. He might call you back. He soon call you back.
So she need. No, when she call and say hello, me hang up. Me get frightened.
Me just text my sister like what. Me just text her like what. See her there. We just text her.
Hello.
Hi, hello, I'm calling from the immigration office in the United States.
Hello.
Hi, my name is Mr. Thomas, calling from the immigration office.
Good night.
Good night. This call is about your baby father,
Yo,
Rick.
my sister actor.
He's going to be deported for stealing.
Wait. Yep. Who? Rick?
Yes, is he your baby father?
Oh, yes. But who is this?
My name is Mr. Thomas. I'm calling from the immigration office.
Yeah.
My
And you
sister.
said Rick wanted to Rick?
Yeah, my
Rick
sister.
told me to
She
call
wicked.
you. Are you his baby mother?
Yes.
Okay, so I shall inform you that he's going to be deported for stealing.
How much?
No, I do me a make. Don't jump. I do me a make. Hello? Kim. A Trabass. Stay with me. A Trabass. Yeah. I think I your brother. Yo, I your brother do it. I your brother do it. I'm sorry. I your brother do it. Me never mean to hurt you. Yo, I your brother do it. I'm sorry. I'm not doing it again. Me done.
Oh, me should tell her face.
You forgive me?
Me tell her hang up.
Sorry, call your brother. Him tell me to do it.
Hang up,
Sorry.
hang up,
Alright,
hang
yo,
up.
me never know we
Hang
not
up,
get
hang
that
up,
here.
hang up.
I promise you.
Hang
I'm
up.
sorry.
Hang up.
That's a joke.
Hang up.
Without work.
Hang up.
I'm at work 7 days a week.
Yo, why my sister weak?
I'm trying to figure out that I'm not calling up here my phone. This is not a joke game, right?
Yes, I take it serious real. No, me take it serious real. I honestly, my apology.
Call up my phone with no foolishness like that again because people, you don't understand. I have had surgery with you. I'm a day so long.
No, alright, here we go on. Me never know. No, listen, alright, you feel like how you can talk and tell me your side, listen from my side. I don't know if he's your brother or I think I'm your brother. Him give me the number and say give you a call. Just but call your brother and tell her that. Me I apologize to when me do still. But me I apologize to when me do still. You see? I'm so sorry. Miss, I'm so sorry. Miss, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. You never have to explain yourself.
Shut the like give it to you.
Me take full Miss, me take full responsibility. I swear to you.
Yes. Give it to him.
Wanna take this thing to a next level. And I understand. And if Rick find it funny.
Jesus Christ. Miss, me sorry for hang up on you. But boy, me don't do the prank call tonight. We are going. Yo, me don't see like I finish. You see why last time we stop? Because we get into trouble for you. I see the day I need secret. Oh God.
Yo, you catch him good. No, yo, me have video everything, you catch him good.
Oh, Kim? Hey, your brother do it. I'm so sorry. I'm a big man. He put for that job.
Me go tell him.
Where's it? Still want to? I'm so sorry.
Dog.
I don't need the prank call, eh? Jesus Christ. I don't can't stop saying me no more.
Kim. You get him good, Kim.
Shut
Yo, me prank call me. Yeah, where do you feel black? Damn, she gets you. Hear him. Kim, give it to you. Yo. Yeah, hear me? Yeah, catch him your threat. Him frightened. Hear him. Him a ball. Everybody in the chat a laugh. Everybody. Why am I beg your threat? Him a beg. Yo, in relief I know. In relief. Come here, I link you back here. Chantel. Oh. Yo. Me G's. Focus. We catch him perfect, we catch him good, we catch him good. Yo, my G said that's just one prank, one of many. Wally. Yeah. Him still up on life. Wally prank I go forward. You see me tell you him no know when them are forward or how them are forward. Him just regular up on Instagram right now, I call and I prank call people. He never expect to be prank tonight. You know what I mean? Big up my cousin again for make me use him Instagram profile. Me couldn't write him from my page. Him would have said me, universe. This are just one for many. That I think, you know, when he prank me, him go wrong because him a go one prank. Me I prank him for the rest of my life. Every day, little. I may not do no big prank yet. I just have to be a little prank. So yeah, wanna stay tuned. And that's it for tonight. Blessings and respect again for Forward Out. Mad move. We catch him, but this is not an official prank. It's just a quick prank where it just pop up in my brain because him there on Instagram I prank people. So it was a good opportunity. It presented itself. You know what I mean? So up it.
Hold on then, before we click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, My G's. Blessings and respect. Up it.